So here's how to fix this site can't be reached issue in Windows 11. First, you want to open the startup menu and search for Internet Options, and then open the Internet Options option, and in here you want to go to Connections and then go to LAN Settings, and in this window make sure you check this automatically, make sure this is checked, automatically detect settings, and also make sure under proxy server, use a proxy server for LAN is disabled or unchecked. Next, you want to press OK, apply, and OK. Next, try to open your browser again and try to navigate to the website you're trying to access. Now, if that still does not solve the issue for you, what you can do is go back to the Start menu and then right click on it and go to Settings, and then go to Internet and Network and Internet section. Go to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depends on whichever you're using, and then click on Edit next to the DNS server assignment for IPv4. Set it to manual and then enable IPv4 and use the following DNS: 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS you want to use 8.8.4.4. Then press save, and now you can close this, and then try to open your browser again and see if you can access the website you're trying to access. Now the last solution is to reset your network by going to the Start menu, right click on it and go to Settings. Then you want to go to the Network and Internet section and then click on Advanced Network Settings, and then scroll down and click on Network Reset, and then click on Reset Now to reset your network, and that should solve the issue. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.